Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, input/output, I/O, operations are essential for interacting with data, whether it's reading from or writing to files, receiving input from the user, or displaying output. This tutorial will cover the basics of Python input/output and file handling, including code examples. The input function allows you to take user input as a string. Here's how to use it. The print function is used to display output to the console. You can use it to print variables, strings, and more. Python offers various ways to read data from files. Let's explore the most common methods. To read the entire content of a file, you can use the open function and the read method. You can read a file line by line using a for loop. Writing to files allows you to save data for future use. Here's how to do it. To write to a new file, use the open function with the mode W, write. To add content to an existing file without overwriting it, use the mode A, append. It's important to close files properly when you're done with them. Using the with statement ensures that files are automatically closed when you exit the block. Always wrap file operations in a try, except block to handle potential errors gracefully. Python's input/output and file handling capabilities are essential for working with data in various applications. Understanding how to read and write files, along with proper error handling, is crucial for effective programming. This tutorial covered the basics of Python input/output and file handling. With these fundamentals, you can start building more complex programs that interact with data in a wide range of ways. ChatGPT